Feeling stressed? In today's fast-paced world, stress seems unavoidable. But what if I told you there's a way to handle it better and stay in control? Stick around as we explore how to manage stress effectively with science-backed insights. Let's face it, life throws curveballs. Stress is inevitable. Our bodies are wired to react with the fight or flight mechanism, controlled by two hormones, cortisol and adrenaline. These hormones are designed to keep us safe by preparing us to either fight threats or flee from danger. But here is the twist: chronic stress keeps these hormones active longer than they should be, which can harm your body and mind. Cortisol is essential for survival, but too much of it can lead to sleep disturbances, high blood pressure, and even memory loss. On the flip side, oxytocin, also known as the love hormone, can counteract stress. It enhances mood, reduces anxiety, and even strengthens social bonds. So, the key is to find balance. Prolonged stress affects everything: your sleep cycle, immune system, and even your heart health. It can lead to inflammation, weaken your ability to fight infections, and make you more prone to illnesses. Ever noticed how you catch a cold right after a stressful event? That's no coincidence. Elevated cortisol suppresses your immune system. Now, the big question: how can you regain control? Here are a few tips. Practice relaxation techniques like meditation or deep breathing to activate your parasympathetic nervous system. Stay physically active. Exercise boosts oxytocin and reduces cortisol. Prioritize sleep. It's your body's natural repair mode. Eat nutrient-rich foods, especially those high in potassium and vitamin B1, to support your nervous system. Connect with loved ones. Social bonding releases oxytocin, which fights stress naturally. Stress is a part of life, but it doesn't have to control you. With the right tools, you can thrive even in challenging times. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe to our channel for more insights. Remember, a stress-free life starts with you.